Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. This weekend promises some fairly heavy showers across large swathes of the country, and for some, those showers turning into thunderstorms as well. But as is always the case, it won't rain all weekend. There will be some dry and bright spells between the downpours. But the downpours being created basically by this area of low pressure. It's been slowly but surely drifting towards us for a couple of days now. Ahead of it, for many it was a fine day on Friday, but still a few scattered showers across northern England, southern Scotland into the evening. Bit of damp weather overnight across the far north of Scotland. But here comes that main area of low pressure throwing a lot of cloud and some heavy outbreaks of rain across parts of southern England and South Wales. Quite a warm and humid night as well, and certainly a warmer night across much of Scotland compared to recent nights. On to the details then for Saturday, and we are looking at some pretty heavy downpours tracking northwards across England and Wales. Lots of cloud around here, but as you can see, it won't rain everywhere all the time. But where it is raining, that rain likely to be quite heavy and potentially cause some disruption. And then through the afternoon, in particular across the southwest, we're looking at the potential for some fairly lively thunderstorms to break out, particularly through parts of Devon, Cornwall and Somerset. The showers will eventually get going across Scotland, but for much of the day here and for Northern Ireland, well, large parts of the day will be dry and bright with some sunshine, and there will be sunny spells further south as well. But let's deal with those weather warnings, because we've got a thunderstorm warning in place for much of Saturday across central and eastern England. Fairly slow moving downpours, a lot of spray, a lot of surface water on the roads, and the potential for lightning strikes to cause some disruption as well. And then we have that warning through the afternoon across the far southwest of England. So we could see quite a narrow line of thunderstorms breaking out here. Again, dropping a lot of rain in a relatively short space of time. So further potential for flooding here. Temperature-wise, well, when the sun pops out, it's feeling quite warm and humid, so temperatures likely to get up to the low 20s for many. A little cooler where the rain persists more across parts of northeast England through the afternoon. And that zone of wetter weather will extend into Scotland through the evening, and we'll continue to see some heavy showers during the evening further south, but eventually they'll tend to ease off, many places becoming a lot drier overnight. But Sunday is going to see further heavy showers developing quite widely across the country. So maybe a dry, fine start with some sunshine, but look at that. It's like the UK has got a rash through the afternoon. Slow moving, heavy, thundery showers. Again, the potential for a lot of rain and some hailstones as well. But again, it won't be raining everywhere. There'll be showers, so some places may not see much at all in the way of rainfall and just have some good spells of sunshine. When the sun's out, again, temperatures climbing to around average, high teens or low 20s. The east coast of Scotland could be plagued by har this weekend, so it's likely to be quite cool here if it does stay fairly misty. And we're not done with the wet weather there either, because as one area of low pressure tends to edge northwards, we're keeping our eyes on this one arriving for the early part of next week. This looks unusually deep for an area of low pressure at this time of year, and so those isobars pretty close together as well. So we could see some pretty strong winds from this system through the early part of next week, along with further spells of rain. That is one to watch. Make sure you keep up to date with the latest from the Met Office. The warnings, of course, are on the website or on the app, and you get the latest if you subscribe to our YouTube channels.